Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have your niche and offer. Now act. Create a system. EO account and turn on the affiliate features. Once done, locate the affiliate dashboard, copy your unique tracking link, and store creatives. Next, build a focused landing page, minimal fields, clear benefit, and connect an autoresponder sequence with one welcome email to capture leads. Do this first so you can start sending traffic immediately, and make sure tracking parameters stay intact when you paste links into ads or content. Now focus on execution. Map a simple funnel landing page to thank you, then redirect to the affiliate link or present a sales page that warms the prospect. Drive targeted traffic through content, email broadcasts, and small paid campaigns. Make sure to append UTM tags for clear attribution. Once traffic flows, implement split tests. Change headlines, CTA copy, or button colors, and compare conversion rates. Monitor open and click metrics, and pause losing variance. This iterative approach improves ROI and uncovers winning combinations. Finish by scaling what works. Increase budgets on winning ads, clone funnels for new audiences, and raise email frequency carefully. Use system. EO analytics to track conversions, conversion rate, and earnings per click so you know which channels pay. Export reports weekly and adjust bids to maintain target ROI. If you hit problems, check the redirect path, pixel placements, and whether URL parameters are preserved. Broken tracking is the usual culprit. Retest links in incognito and restore a known good funnel copy if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.